Welcome, future millionaire. Let's turn AI into cash. Today, we're diving into 7 amazing AI-powered online business ideas and the tools you'll need to make them happen. Ready to see how? Let's get into the tools that'll help you make it a reality. AI-generated YouTube content. Tap into the booming world of YouTube. It's 2024, and if you're not on YouTube, you're missing out. With AI, creating content has never been easier, allowing you to produce videos from anywhere in the world. All you need is an internet connection and your creativity. Tools. Use ChatGPT for your scripts, 11 Labs for voiceovers, Midjourney or DALL-E for visuals, and Runway ML to assemble your videos. Earning potential. Make between $500 and $50,000 a month with ads and sponsorships. AI-powered blogging. Blogging remains a powerful platform for sharing knowledge and insights. AI tools can help you generate SEO-friendly content that captivates your audience, ensuring your voice is heard in the crowded digital landscape. Tools. Jasper for writing, Midjourney for images, and Surfer SEO for search optimization. Earning potential. Earn $500 to $10,000 plus monthly through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. Customized AI chatbots for businesses. In an era where instant communication is key, AI chatbots provide businesses the ability to engage with customers 24/7. This tech not only enhances customer service, but also automates routine inquiries, saving precious time and resources. Tools, ManyChat or ChatFuel for easy chatbot creation. Earning potential, $1,000 to $5,000 plus per setup, plus ongoing fees for maintenance. No-code AI business apps. The demand for business apps is skyrocketing, and with no-code platforms, you can easily create apps that automate workflows and enhance productivity. This is a game changer for entrepreneurs looking to innovate without extensive tech skills. Tools, Adalo or Bubble for app development. Earning potential, $2,000 to $10,000 plus per app, with earnings varying by app complexity and client. VTuber video creation. The VTuber phenomenon is taking the internet by storm. Creating a virtual persona allows you to connect with audiences in unique and entertaining ways. With AI, the barrier to entry is lower than ever, opening up a world of creative possibilities. Tools, Unreal Engine for animation and replica studios, or VoiceMod for voice effects. Earning potential, $1,000 to $50,000 plus monthly, increasing with your audience. E-commerce empire with AI. What? E-commerce is more competitive than ever, but AI gives you an edge. From product research to visual design, AI tools can help you build a captivating online store that stands out in the digital marketplace. Tools, Jungle Scout, Shopify, and Canva. Earning potential. Start with $500 to $2,000, scaling up to $1,20000 plus as you grow. AI copywriting services. What? The right words can make or break a business. Offering AI-generated copywriting services means providing compelling sales copy, emails, and product descriptions that can significantly boost a brand's image and sales. Tools, ChatGPT and Copysmith. Earning potential, $500 to $2,000 per project, with potential growth as you build your name. Video editing for social media. What? Social media is all about engaging content. With AI, video editing becomes not only easier but also more creative, allowing you to produce stunning videos that capture your audience's attention and keep them coming back for more. Tools, Capwing for simple edits, Adobe Premiere Pro for advanced projects. Earning potential, $500 to $5,000 per project, based on client needs and project size. More videos coming soon. Subscribe! All ideas, not financial advice, for entertainment purpose only. Click here to watch more.